Hello my watermelons, so today I'll be unboxing the Breville VST025 sandwich and Panini Press stainless steel. CO number 1 bought it at £24.99 around Christmas 2021, but now the price goes up to £32 in Amazon. So the packaging, it has these, I think these are tomatoes. So the tomatoes shaped like hearts, and there's a panini that's shaped like a heart right here, and here's the panini maker. So I think it's like a Pac-Man like this. It opens like that, and there's a handle here, and this is the lock. So there's some stands here so the panini can stand up. So over here it is a few pictures. There's a panini with tomatoes, ham, and I don't know what that is inside of it, and there's some lettuce, and yeah. So it says easy clean plate, non-stick, easy storage, lockable lid for upright storage. And there's another panini that's just in the mouth, so I'm going over here. So here is the Breville's logo. I don't know if it's a logo, but I see it in every packaging, so I'm going to call it logo. It's a giant heart. I really like that. So this is the panini. It like eats your panini. So now I'm going to open it. So there's the iconic logo. I think that's cheese. Do you guys see that? Oh my god. Oh my god, I want to eat this right now. I think I got it right. It was cheese. Maybe ham. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna put it down and I'm gonna show it to you. So, extra hands please. Okay, yeah, I got it. Oops, the user manual fell out. I'm gonna get that. Okay, I got it. It just says Breville here and some other stuff. So I'm gonna open it. I cannot see what this is saying. So it just says please keep okay. That was the back. So this appliance can be used by children aged from 8 years and above. So yeah. And here it's like a picture, so this is the handle. This is the ready to cook light, and it's a power light also, and the non-stick cooking plates, so thing here. So I'm going to see if this is real. I mean not real, I don't know what to say. Ow, sorry camera. Okay, so now I'm going to open it. Very bumpy. Okay. Okay, let me just, excuse me, please. Do I have to, can you unlock? I don't know how to get this out. I guess the panini maker will just make foam. This is the product, and I guess this panini maker will not make foam instead. So here's the lock. I struggled to move, so we just have to do a little slide. So it has a hinged lid and locking mechanism. That's here. The hinged lid. Wait. The hinged lid. Okay. It's here. See? So now, the flat non-stick plate is inside over here. These are the flat non-stick plates. So at the top, this is the, I think this one is red and this one's green. So these are the power on and ready to cook indicators. You can see this one has thermometer, and this one has a circle with a line through it. It has a nice touch handle, and at the back it has non-slip feet. Sorry for the noise. So non-slip feet are here, silicone, and it has this thing which says Breville, And we can open it like this and make our paninis like this instead of the correct way. So here is the 1 meter long cord with a UK plug. This is the UK plug. So you can make it stand upright for compact storage. Like this. Okay. I'm going to just lock it right now because I don't want it to like bite my hand. So this is how you make the panini maker stand. So it stands like this. And this is how we put the 1 meter long UK plug. You store it on the panini like this. So this is, you just wrap it around like that. So, oh my god, please stop making noises. So the plates, let me just show you. The plates here are non-stick coated aluminum, which you can make it easy for cleaning. And the flat plate size is approximately length times wide, width 31 centimeters times 28.1 centimeters. Approximately 2 sandwiches and 3 paninis. So the plates are oh yeah, I already said that. So the top plate is floating, so we can accommodate different sandwiches thicknesses. You can use the press for panini, ciabatta, tea cakes, crumpets, and for warming pita, flour nostrils, and naan bread. I say warming pittas, the bread, and flour tortillas. Whenever I look at tortilla, the word, it's kind of looks like nostril to me. So pretend this is the bread. This is how you make it, but it's more flat because my hand is attached to something. So some further details are the box dimensions are approximately 31 times 28 times 9.5 centimeters, and the weight is approximately 2.1 kilograms. The power is 1000 watts. I am a bit hungry now, and I'm going to use it to make dinner. I'm going to tell you how I feel in the next video. Thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe.